Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? So today I'm not able to take a Zoom class. Unfortunately, for the time, actually I'm going to have a problem as I'm living in a bachelor accommodation. So making a video for you guys so that you can see and practice, and as well as complete the homeworks which I'll be giving you later. So let's say for example we already did from exercise like the examples and the activities. Like most of you, the ones who have submitted homeworks, I could see that you have understood it very clearly, because it's quite easy actually. Just multiplying different variables, the powers gets increased. We learned this formula, let's say, just to give a reminder of what we did in our last class. Let's say a into a, we got what? A square, right? So a cube into a square, for example, the power gets added up, 3 plus 2, that's a to the power 5. A into a square, how does it become a square? Because we know if there is nothing, we know that the power is 1. A to the power 1 into a to the power 1, 1 plus 1, it's actually a square. So a into a means we actually get a square, right? Similarly, if we have 5a cube into a, what do we get? 5a to the power 4. Let's say for 6a square into 3ax. Then how do we multiply? We usually multiply the numbers first. 6 into 3, 18. Then same alphabets, a square into a is a cube, then x. Okay, so this is the way we usually multiply different variables according to the power, different exponents. Let's say it's better to say exponents because we have powers as well, right? So whenever we have a variable with a power, we call it as an exponent. That's what we discussed in our last class. So let's now start with an exercise 4.2. okay, so exercise 4.2, let's say I will do from number 1. Let's try one problem. Let's try number 4 first. Let's say the question is given m into m square into n cube into m cube into n to the power 7. So first of all, we need to consider all the same alphabets, that's m, m, m. So if you see, we can write all the same alphabets together, m into m square into m cube, and finally n cube into n to the power 7. So if you add the powers of m, all the powers of m, what do we get? Here there is power 1. As I told previously, if there is nothing, we need to consider the power as 1. Okay, so m to the power 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So finally we get m to the power 6. Then n, if we add the powers of n, 3 plus 7, 10. So it becomes n to the power 10. So answer is m to the power 6 into n to the power 10. That's my answer. m6, n to the power 6 into n to the power 10. That's it. Now let's say we have another problem. Let's say 1 to the 6 of number 1. So the question is 2x square into y square into 2z square. Actually exercise 4.2 is in page 100. Okay, page 100. So 2x square into y square into 2z square into 3y square into 4x square. So what do we get? So you see, as I told, first of all we need to multiply the numbers. So what do we have? 2, 2 and 4. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 4 is 16, and 3, there is also 3. So 16 into 3 is 48. So first we multiply the numbers. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, 12 4 is 48. Got it? So 48 done. Next we multiply the same alphabets. So x square is here, x square is here. The power is 2, the power is 2. The power gets added up, so x to the power 4. Similarly y square, y square. Here there is 2, there is 2. The power gets added up, so it becomes y to the power 4. and finally we have z square. So answer is this: 48 x to the 4 y to the 4 z square. So I'll give you the homework later on, no problem. So this is from number 1. Let's try some from number 2. Number 2, there is a condition, that is, if a equals to 2, b equals to 3, c equals to 1, then find the value of each of the following expressions. Let's say this condition is given, okay, a equals to 2, b equals to 3, c equals to 1. So let's try number 5 from 2. So a square minus 2ac, I need to find out the value of a square minus 2ac plus c square. So I already have the value of a, that's 2, then the value of c, that is 1. I don't require the value of b over here. So let's use the values. We just put the values. So 2, instead of a I can put 2, so it becomes 2 square minus 2 ac means 2ac means 2 into a into c. Okay, whenever you see 2ac or any number and alphabet together, you need to always remember that these are in multiple forms. They are in the multiplied forms. So 2ac means 2 into a into c. Okay, 2ac means 2 into a into c. So 2 into a is what? 2, and c is 1. Then plus c square. C is what? 1. So 1 square. So we know 2 square means what? 2 into 2. So 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 1, 4. Then plus 1. So 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So answer is 1. Okay, in this way you can actually solve, like if you have the values, you can just insert the values and you can solve a problem. Okay, this is actually from number 2. I'm sure you can also solve the others, because this is very easy. You just need to put the values, insert the values instead of the alphabets. Okay, now let's try one. Okay, let's try another one from number 2. Let's say number 2. So these are actually from 2. Okay, so number 2 has these conditions in all the problems: a equals to 2, b equals to 3, c equals to 1. So number 2 is b cube plus c cube. Now we have the value of b, which is 3, and we have the value of c, which is 1. So we insert the values. So instead of b, I just write 3. So 3 cube plus c. The value of c is 1. So 1 cube. So 3 cube means we need to multiply 3 times. 3 cube means 3 to the power 3 means 3 to the power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3, right? Because we need to multiply 3 times. 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27. So 27 plus 1 cube. 1 cube also means what? We need to multiply 3 times. 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So actually 1 cube means 1 to the power anything is 1. Okay, anything. So 1. 27 plus 1 equals to 28. So this is my answer for number 2 from number 2. Okay, alright, let's move on further. Now from number 3. So in number 3 I need to actually prove there is a condition. If x equals to 3, y equals to 5, z equals to 2. If x equals to 3, y equals to 5, z equals to 2, show that let's say I'm doing number 3. From 3 I'm doing number 3. Show that y plus z whole square equals to y square plus 2yz plus z square. So this is my question. I need to show that y plus z whole square equals to y square plus 2yz plus z square. So this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. So I need to show that the value of this, once I place the value y equals to 5 and z equals to 2, the value which I get over here from in the left hand side is equal to the value which I will get in the right hand side. So let's say left hand side, we start solving left hand side first. So left hand side is actually this one. Okay, so y plus z whole square, y plus z whole square. So what is the value of y? Putting the value of y, that is 5. So equals to 5 plus z. The value of z is what? 2. So 5 plus 2 whole square equals to 5 plus 2 is what? 7. So 7 whole square. So 7 whole square means 7 into 7, right? So 7 into 7 is 49. So this is my left hand side. Okay, left hand side I proved, like just putting the value of y and z, I got what? 49. Now right hand side also I need to get the value as 49. So let's put right hand side. So right hand side, what do we have? Y square plus 2yz plus z square. So instead of y, what will I write? Y equals to 5. So instead of y, I will write 5 whole square plus 2yz. 2yz means 2 into y into z. So 2 into y. What is the value of y? 5. So 5 into z. What is the value of z? That's 2. Plus z square. Z is 2. So 2 square. So finally what do we get? 5 square 25 plus 2 into 5 10. 10 into 2 is 20 and 2 square, that is 2 square means 2 into 2, that is 4. So if we add all of them, 25 plus 20 is 45, 45 plus 4 is 49. So you see, my left hand side the value was also 49 and my right hand side the value is also 49. So thus we can say that, therefore we can write y, just write this way, since left hand side equals to right hand side, so we can write y plus z whole square equals to y square plus 2yz plus z square, shown. Okay, so this is how we can solve y plus, like for part 3, for number 3 and number 3 of number 3, we have shown that this left side y plus z whole square equals to y square plus 2yz plus z square by just putting the values. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, from number 3. Let's say number 2. The question is given x plus y whole square equals to x minus y whole square plus 4xy. So I need to prove, this is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. I need to prove that x plus y whole square, the value which I get over here, will be equal to the value which I get over in this side. So again we'll start with left hand side. Left hand side, what do we have? X plus y whole square. So instead of x, we already know the value of x is given. X is actually 3. So we write 3 plus, instead of y, what do we have? 5, right? So we put 5 square. So equals to 3 plus 5 is 8, then square. So what is 8 square? 8 square means 8 into 8, that is 64. So my left hand side, the value is 64. So I need to show that the right hand side value also is 64. So let's put right hand side over here. So what is the question? X minus y whole square plus 4xy. So x minus y means x is what? 3 and minus 5. So we need to write 3 minus 5 whole square plus 4xy means 4 into x into y. So 4 into x, x is what? 3 and y is 5. From here we can actually see x is 3, y is 5, and it's already given over here. X equals to 3, y equals to 5. So I'm just putting the values. So 3 minus 5 is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 square plus 4 into 3 is 12. 12 5s are 60. Now the question rises, what is minus 2 whole square? Remember one thing, just as a side note I am giving, minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 whole square means minus 2 into minus 2. If you multiply minus into minus, we always will get plus. Okay, minus into minus is plus. So let us actually make a note for it. You already know this from integers, that is, whenever you have minus and you are multiplying it with another minus, what do we get? A plus. If you multiply opposite signs, it's very easy. Just remember that if you multiply opposite signs, you always get minus. If you multiply same sign, you always get plus. Okay, so minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, again minus into plus is also minus. Opposite signs you multiply, you will get minus, and finally plus into plus is also plus. Same signs multiplied, you will get plus. Opposite signs multiplied, you will get minus. Okay, so minus 2 whole square means minus 2 into minus 2. So here you can see both minuses get multiplied. So minus into minus is plus, then 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, so in this case minus 2 whole square is actually 4, then plus 60. So 4 plus 60 is what? 64. So you see, left hand side also I got 64, right hand side also I got 64. So therefore we can write left hand side equals to right hand side. So x plus y whole square equals to x minus y whole square plus 4xy shown. Okay, so this is the way you can solve actually from the problems which I said. Okay, so these are very simple problems. I hope you have understood. If you have any problem understanding, please let me know on WhatsApp. I will try and explain it to you again. Okay, I will be giving the homeworks later on. Okay, please try and go through the video. Anyways, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.